Hey everybody, what's up? Here with a room tour. We're here at the Viejas Casino and Resort. We're staying at the Willows Hotel portion of the resort, which is for adults 21 and over only. Don't bring your kids, they will not be allowed. Here we go. We're gonna start off. We have it's the signature King Suite, which is very cool. So we walk in. Here's the living room. But when you first walk in, you have an awesome little mini fridge if you want to keep your drinks cool and what have you. Because of the pandemic, usually it's stocked with sodas and all kinds of stuff, but because of that, they're not including that stuff in the refrigerator. But if you want it, you call the front desk and they will bring you some to your room. And let me say, everything was sanitized before we came in. The door was sealed. There's a sticker that shows it's been the room has been sanitized and sealed, which is awesome. So anyway, you got that awesome fridge. There's a safe in this drawer if you need it. Nice desk area. It's in here. Oh, they provide masks and gloves, I believe it looks like. Very cool. So we have the kind of lazy boy sofa you can just stretch out on. I think it also turns into a bed. Pretty cool TV. I believe it's a 50-inch LG remote, sanitized, wrapped in plastic. We got our room overlooking the resort, the pool, the jacuzzi, spa area. There's also putting green if you're into that. Awesome. Across the street, the outlet mall, and there's also a bowling alley and some other stuff to do. We'll probably check that stuff out. But yeah, awesome view. It was either this or a view of the mountains. So here is the bedroom, king size. Comes with Alexa. Hi Alexa. How's it going?
You caught me in the middle of doing the hokey pokey. So
She's doing the hokey pokey. TV in here. Another big size TV. Closet space. Pretty good. Ironing board, iron, all the normal stuff. Yeah, this bed looks awesome, comfortable. We just checked in. We haven't sat down or anything. Here's the window from the bedroom. Very cool. Let's go in here. Here's the restroom. Pretty spacious. We like it a lot. Shower is huge and amazing. It's got like the waterfall type shower head, regular shower head. It's got a pretty big bench to sit on. That's awesome. I need to work on my camera skills, and then of course close this door and handle your business there. And yeah, we're gonna check this place out. They have a bunch of restaurants and the casino, of course. Maybe we'll check that out. And that's it, everybody. If we find anything else interesting to show, we'll upload that too. We're still waiting for our bags to get here. Guest services took them from the car. Valet is open, if anyone's wondering. So that's a nice service. We weren't expecting that. We thought it would be closed, self-parking, but no. They're handling it. They're doing a good job here. As we were checking in, after each guest checks in, they sanitize the counters and the credit card machines and whatnot. It's pretty good. They have a great organized system and keeping things clean. All right, thanks. Bye.